I'd been in a couple different brokerages, a couple different team environments, and with Alan, I think he's got the whole team thing really dialed in because I've seen it a couple different places. The tools he provides, the atmosphere, the daily coaching. There's just so many things that get you to get more out of yourself being in this type of environment than, just going with another team where you're kind of on an island by yourself. And it's really nice to be in a team environment where everybody is really committed to being successful. So, any day you come in, it's not like you might see one person in the office. You see almost every realtor on the team in the office daily, which is pretty unique, which is a pretty cool thing.
So I started real estate in 2016. I'm on my third year, and before then, I was just doing a lot of buyers. What your typical agent does. Just a few open houses, pick up buyers from sphere of influence. You're just out there, just not. You have no structure or anything. You're just out there trying to find what you can. I joined Alan K Realty Group about 5 months ago, and since then I've focused more on listings, on sellers, and I've picked up about 11 listings in the last 5 months. And versus then I had 0 listings.
So for me, to join Alan's team, one of the biggest struggles I've found, not only with myself but with a lot of other agents I've met along the way, is getting more out of yourself, being in the right situation, the right environment. Since I've joined Alan, I've noticed a huge difference. Now, being in for 6 years, there's some things that's going to take a little bit of time to change, some of our habits that we have, but I've noticed that, just coming into the office every day, you get so much more done, so much more accomplished, and, setting your goals, knowing exactly where you need to be, going over those, at least weekly, if not daily, with Alan and other members of the team. It just keeps you on track, get you to where you want to be.
Well, the good thing with Alan is the fact that I didn't really know what to say on the phone, so he gave me these scripts, so I ended up developing, and I ended up reading them and internalizing them and eventually kind of making them my own. So now I know how to handle some objections that I wouldn't be able to do prior to this. Also, how to approach people during door knocking or open houses. So any type of objection that they give me, I'm always able to bounce back and kind of end up working with them.
Obviously, all the training, the scripts he provides, all the tools, CRM software, Mojo, three-line dialer, all that is cool stuff. But I think the main part is the consistency and coming in every day, doing what you need to do, and treating it more as a 9 to 5, and being here when you need to be here, even if you have nothing going on. And like I said, the team role plays too, role playing with other agents and Alan himself. It's he'll throw objections at you that you've never heard, and trying to answer them on the spot makes you actually think about what you need to say.